Yo, Adams, what's good, man? How's it going there? How's it going? Blessed love everyone tuning in. Appreciate you all, man. Oh, yeah. Yes, I so we start late today, but start this one late today, but either way, it's all good. See the amount of work we're putting in daily. I'm not doing too bad, man. Appreciate you asking, man. Good day so far. Been busy. Been on the street. Dealing with some stuff, you know. That's why we start off like 2 hours late today. So I got a 6 short dropping in a few minutes. All right, so remember to check it out. Remember, we got a 6 short drop in a minute. Hopefully you guys gonna love that one, you know. And if you love it, definitely drop a like on it and drop a comment. Alright, so we're gonna start off with this routine. Remember this routine? Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 29, 30, 31, 37, 41, 42, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 59, 60, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 2, 73, 4, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 90. Come on. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that's 100 and how much? 160 or 150? Smash a thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel, chat. Make sure we're locked in. Make sure we are locked in, alright? Just kicking things off here. Hey, Silvio, what's good? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, alright? Let's kick things off. Can we get 10 likes to kick things off? Hit that like button. And subscribe. Yeah, step up the game, I know. Okay, chat. All right. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Please help us to get a minimum 100 likes. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's get it. Yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's get this cash. Yeah. Missing the locks. Missing the dreadlocks. I'm gonna grow it one day, man. Trust me. I just don't really make up my mind yet, you know? The mind fully make up. We're gonna grow the locks one day. No joke. Okay, let's add some extra weight. Hey, don't see what I go on. What's up, man? Not much, man. We're there, you know. You know the regular already. Yeah, man. Hope everything alright. See it? Yeah, man. Hope the new year have a good start for you so far. Whoa, yeah. Let's get this money. Getting strong, building muscle, getting gains. It's all money. Just in case, it's got some people out there wondering, when they say get money, if they're talking literally money. But as long as you're getting these, that's money. Let's get it. Get this strap out together. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Whoa! That me a talk about right there, so. Yeah. That's how we get some extra bread. and some extra money. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Whoa, yeah. We got a banger short dropping. Should be up right now. Check out my new shorts. It literally just dropped 2 minutes ago. Check it out. A banger. Drop a comment on it, alright? Everyone watching right now, go check out it. New shorts. Definitely a banger. Hit that like button. Help us to get 10 likes off the rip. Let's get it. Can we get 10 likes? Hit that like button. Hit that like button, chats. Smash that thumbs up. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I'll go on fit. Oh. Yes, I am. So, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe, alright? Please help us get to 10 likes. Hit that like button. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. Let's get it. Gotta make the money, yeah, every day. Oh, sir. But not wait on my door for use my more, sir. But Mr. Give me the money, let me ask you. If you know, say they, if you speak up us. Some just pour with some of the us. Got Kirsty watching from Liverpool, UK. Appreciate you being here, man. You're welcome, man. Welcome. London look peaceful. It is. It is. Cool breeze blowing. Only thing we can hear right now is just the sound of the trees from the wind. Nothing but peace. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe. That's what we're talking about. Ooh, yeah. Whoa. Let's get another set. Whoa. Everyone watching, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. No pain, no gain. Sebik. That's Sebik or Sebik? That's Sebik from Poland. I don't know if I pronounced the name right. If I didn't pronounce it right, I apologize, alright? But Pagos from Greece. Alright. Gilbert Knight, watching from Australia. Yeah. Appreciate you all locked in, man. Appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget, hit that like button. Is that Ilo? I don't know if I pronounced that right. Pacos. Hey, yo, what's good? Is that Kathy from Washington, D.C.? Is that Salam Mulaikum? I don't know if I pronounced that right. But if I don't, I apologize. All right, from UK. Clips. Appreciate y'all. Hit that like button. Subscribe, all right? You're supposed to start off with 20 likes. 20 likes at least. Is that Maverish? Singapore. Two dogs from Canada. Hey, yo, what's good, man? See people locking from everywhere. Just don't forget to hit that like button, alright, if you want to support. If you can send a super chat, send a super chat. Or you can just simply hit that like button. Subscribe. Let's get this money. And also, everyone that commenting, go check out my new shorts. It literally just dropped a few minutes ago. Go over there, hit the like button, drop a comment over there, alright? I'm looking for you guys. Let's get this money. Yep. It's a banger. Go check it out. Ooh, yeah. It's a good feeling. That me I talk about. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, I am. Please help us to get 20 likes. Start off with 20 likes, alright? Just smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Subscribe. Everyone, to all the new subscribers, thank you. Appreciate y'all. Welcome to the channel, man. For all the long-time subscribers, viewers, appreciate you guys always. It's all love, man. Motivation, inspiration, right? Let's get this money. Remember, go check out my new shorts. Just dropped a few minutes ago. Drop a comment over there, alright? It's a flying push-up challenge. So go check it out. Me and someone else. So go check it out. 16. Smash that thumbs up. 4 more for 20. So let's go. Doing one more set with this, then we're gonna add some more weights. Let's get this money. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. That's how we get that bread. That's how we get that money. Yeah. That's how you get that money right there, chat. Okay. All right. Yeah. Come on. I need to stop this now. If it's start it all there now. Oh, yeah. Yes, everyone tuning in. Smash that like button. Please help us to get 100 likes. So everyone right now, take a moment, smash that thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe. Shout out to Kirsty. I didn't saw that, alright? I apologize. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome to the channel. Shout out to... Is that Seng? Seng? I hope I pronounce that right. But appreciate you, man. Seng. Enough big ups, man. Respect. Shout out to... Whoa. Is that Jan Ulricho? Shout out, brother. Respect, man. Respect. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. Yeah. You would respect, man. It's all motivation. You know, that's why we share the journey with y'all every day. You know, hoping to inspire, motivate. Like anyone, find an excuse. A lot of people out there find an excuse not to work out. Even if you got no equipment, you can use anything, man. You can use anything. You know, so there's no excuse. Alright, so once more, appreciate all you guys. Shout out to you all, man. Big up. Let's get back to work. Thank you all so much, alright? Alright, so smash that thumbs up button, guys. Please help us to get to 100 likes, alright? Minimum 100. So if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Let's go. All right, chat, let's get this. So now we're gonna strap on some extra weight here. You know the regular. All right. Tie this right here. So once more, I'm taking it. Anyone that have to leave, or whenever you guys gonna leave, check out my latest video. All right, it's a short. Check it out. I know you guys gonna love it. So check it out and leave a comment. All right. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're brand new. Let's go this morning. Let's go. Let's go. Ready again. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. You gotta love heavy. Stay heavy. Most of all, stay motivated. Stay focused. Whenever you're putting in that work, remember that. Let's get it. So we're gonna do, I think, is that Wally Frally? I don't know if you're still here. Appreciate that, man. This is what the channel is actually about, you know. That's what the channel is all about. Motivate, inspire. Let everyone out there that's putting in the work already or trying, you know. It's all about showing up. Help you guys, motivate you guys, keep showing up. To show up each day, putting in the work, you know. It's all motivation, man. Yo, Adams, what's good? What's good, G? Whoa! Whoa! Jan, or Richard, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for becoming a member. And the crazy thing is, you're actually the first member of the channel, so huge big ups to you, man. Huge big ups to you, right? And we're gonna have some exclusive content that we're gonna drop for all the members only. Some exclusive content for that's about the Jamaican culture. So just look forward to that. I got a lot of content dropping for you soon. So please, I want you guys to drop a W in the chat right now for Jan or Rico for me. Please drop a W in the chat for Jan or Rico. Enough respect, brother. Respect, man. Please drop a W, guys. Please drop a W for me. Drop a W. You would respect, man. You would respect. Yeah, thank you for that W. Please drop a W in the chat. Hey, yo, Jan, where you from, man? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for becoming the first member of the movement. And trust me, you're never gonna regret it. It's all about motivation and inspiration. So if you're like-minded, trust me, it's all about motivation. So I'm gonna push you guys daily. Daily. Smash a thumbs up, subscribe. There's no excuse, man. This is what I do. Ah! Ooh. Whoa. All right. Switzerland. Awesome, man. Awesome, man. It's beautiful, beautiful. Definitely a place on my bucket list. Switzerland, man. Beautiful place, man. So once more to you, Jan. Enough respect, thank you for joining the movement. Trust me, man, it's all about motivation and inspiration, right? Because fitness and health is what bring us all over the world together, right? Like-minded. It's all about the work. Never stop. It's a daily process. Yeah, let's get it. All right, so we're doing one more set, guys. One more set to get this. All right. So, if you're wondering, we're doing a little thing for the shoulder, you know. Not really much, but we're just doing a little thing today. All right, guys. So, all right, phone, stand up. That was so close. All right, here we go. Make sure it's everything all right. Should be all right. All right, let's go. Trust me, you don't even have to have weight to get up and show up and get fit or start working out. All you need is just that mindset, at least to try to get up and do at least 1 push-up, or 5 push-up, 10 push-up a day. And the next day you push to do even 11. And the next day you push to even do 12 or more. And that's how it is. It's how it starts from the mind. Put your mind to it, then it's nothing. Whoa! 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 Okay. All right, chat. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you guys once more, all right? Thank y'all, man. You with respect, man. All right, so, hey, yo, Connor, what's good? All right, so that was the final set. We're gonna drop it down and keep doing some extra reps. Not to failure, but to victory. Let's get it. Don't want to take any break here. All right, everyone joining. Everyone is having a beautiful New Year so far. You know, the work never stops, man. Yeah, daily. It's a daily procedure. It's a daily thing. So we have to do it daily. Yeah, remember that. Yes, I am. Let's go. And for those who don't know, I'm from Jamaica. We're in Jamaica right now doing some work. All right, so appreciate y'all being here, man, once more. Sorry, motivation. Nothing but motivation, right? Oh. Okay. All right. Let's get that bread. Whoa. RM, you build concrete weights back in the day. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you guys. Thank y'all, man. Appreciate it. From Jamaica. Mark. Is that Mark Hilton? You from Jamaica? All right, good stuff, man. You should do curls. On arm day, our bicep day, we do curls. Today is we're doing shoulders and leg today. So we're kicking things off with shoulders today, right? All right. Smash that thumbs up. 4 more for 40. Hit that like button and subscribe. So once more for our Jan Ulricho, we're dropping some. So we're gonna drop some content later on. All right, man. So once more, enough respect to you, man. Big ups for joining the community once more. Yeah, we got some content, a lot of great stuff dropping later on, for sure. Show my back. All right, here we go. That's it right there. Nothing crazy. Awesome. All right. What you guys think about the back? Do some work? Let's get one more. Can we do one more? Try to work on the shoulders, you know? All right, let's get it. Oh. All right, so how much? 50? Okay, we're gonna have to breathe. Bro, I'm trying, man, trust me. Can you do a backflip? Nah. The Jamaican Hulk. Eclipse from Brazil. Yo, man, what's good, man? Welcome. Is that Jamil Clark? Yeah. Keep up the hard work. Appreciate you, man. We're trying every day. How old are you? I'm 28. Hey, Adams. Take care, man. Take care. Just breathe. Yes, I am. Okay. So now we're gonna move on to some leg workout and a little some little calves workout as well. Do a little thing for the calves. Get them together. Okay, chat. Let's get this money. what do I eat before and after workout? So, okay. Alright, I try to, like, daily or every other day, I try to eat rice, maybe with beef or chicken, cornmeal, oats, milk. I have to have some milk, stuff like that. Egg. I can't tell when last I eat eggs, you know. But take what I'm saying. Make sure when you cooking your rice, it's good to use lentils or peas or beans. They're rich on protein and a lot of nutrients. So peas, beans, peanuts, definitely important. Red meat, chicken. And some oatmeal. If you don't got any egg, get some oatmeal. Can't go wrong. Trust me. Alright, let's get back to work. We have a snowstorm here, bro. Hey, yo, Chris, where you from, man? Snowstorm? You in the States, United States? Do you train leg? I'm about to do some leg workout right now. I'm just setting up. Whoa! Make sure this is on point here. Do I got anyone watching from America that understand the Jamaican accent? Or the Jamaican Creole? Hey, yo, vegan heart, what's good? What's good, man? What's good? Only DNA, yo, what's good? Is that Seng Seng? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right when I say Seng Seng, but okay, man. In the States, which state though? Which state you from? Yeah, I did watch some news about snowstorm in some part of America. Oh, Pennsylvania. Okay, gotcha. All right, got my new motivation, bro. It's good to hear that we're in this. All right, smash a thumbs up button and subscribe if you're brand new. All right, let's go. So we're starting off with this. Perfect for warm up set. Let me take a sip of the water real quick and start again. Okay, let's get this money. Let's get this money. All right, so I never bring that out. Don't want to bruise up my back, so I'm going to put this on it, on the iron / bar. Don't want to bruise up the back. All right, so we'll watch you from now and train with you. All right, sounds good, man. Hello from South Georgia, USA. Hey, you're welcome. Smash that like button, subscribe, guys. Let's get this money. What? Oh, go on here, please. Make sure we say it's all right, you know. Swear. All right. Ah! Whoa! Ah, whoa! Okay. Hit that like button, chat. Subscribe. Do some squats with me. All right. Let's go. Yeah. Let's get it. Okay, let's get it. What am I saying going on now? Oh. Make sure it's even. So we're gonna add 1 block to each side for the second set. Okay. Whoa, let's go. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah. Smash that thumbs up button, chat. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. Let's get it. Help us to get 100 likes, alright? Help us to get to 100 likes. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, chat. How we doing? Oh. Yeah. It's all good. Just smash a thumbs up button, chat. Help us to get 75 likes. Smash a thumbs up button. Can we get 75 likes? Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, alright? Let's get this money. Yo, appreciate you all, man. 69. Oh, there we go. Can we get 80? Come on, 80 likes. Smash that thumbs up button. Okay. Whoa. It's now getting dark. So once more I apologize. I was on the street all day. I was busy shooting some content for you guys. Remember to go check out my new short, alright? And comment. Appreciate y'all, man. Hey yo, Jan. Ulrico. Huge respect, man. Once more, welcome, alright? So big ups, man. Take care, man. I'll see you. Stay tuned, alright? Yeah. Big ups to you, man. Okay. Where's that water? Place getting dark. All right, let's keep going. Please help us get 85 likes. Hit that thumbs up button, smash it. Subscribe to the channel, all right? Let's keep going. Yo, Dylan from Ireland. Yo, respect, man. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's get 85 likes. Please help us to get to 85 likes. Hit that like button and subscribe. See how bright this thing is. Here we go. Okay. Now to add some more weight to it. Okay. All right. Yo, EY. All right, appreciate it. Appreciate you all, man. Oh, let's get this money. Okay, brother. All clean? All right. Let's keep going. Time to add more. Whoa. Yeah, it's a bit tighter. Should be alright. Yeah, no, for the badness. Yeah. Up. Whoa. Alright, so I realize the camera is dark, so that is it for today. Appreciate you all. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe. Peace out. Catch you in another video. Alright. Love you all, man.